I'm sure all of you have heard about the war in Iran. And yes, we can talk about the missiles, casualties, or anything like that. But I'm fast finance, so I'm all about those economics. And right in the middle of those economics is the Strait of Hormuz. Let's talk about it. You've probably never even heard of the Strait of Hormuz. But around 20% of the world's entire oil supply passes through that one point. And right now, it's low-key in the middle of a war zone. The Strait of Hormuz sits at around over there, between Iran and Oman. And it's basically the exit door for all oil coming from countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Iraq, all these Gulf producing nations. And if ships can't get through there too easily, oil supply drops, prices spike, and markets are in shambles. And the cost of oil isn't just about gas prices. It affects every aspect of your life, like inflation, airline costs, shipping, food costs, literally everything. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves, as we gotta answer the big question first. Would Iran actually close the Strait of Hormuz? And there's two ways to look at it. Yes, closing the Strait of Hormuz would cripple global markets, as 20% of oil supply is suddenly wiped out. But it would also hinder Iran's own oil exports. So the answer is maybe? So if you see oil prices suddenly spike up later this week, don't just blame the gas stations. Look at the Strait of Hormuz. Because sometimes the most important place in the world is a waterway you probably couldn't point out on a map. Fast Finance, out.